Alright, y'all. Start of the day. We have a dentist appointment that we're getting ready for. And it's both the boys. So, Clarence is actually coming with me. We're tag teaming it because I can't even imagine. But I didn't want to do two separate ones, stuff like this. It's just like get them in, get them out. So we're doing that. Just got the boys dressed. I got Cam dressed. He got Kaden dressed. He's getting dressed. I'm already dressed. It's raining. So I got on my standard mom hoodie. I'll leave it linked below. A lot of y'all have picked this up. It's Walmart, $10, and y'all love them. So they're super comfortable, especially for days like today because it's raining. So I don't even have time. So yeah, we're about to get out the house. I did some grocery shopping yesterday. This cutie. Oh man, who is the cute baby? I'm about to fluff his hair, finish packing his little diaper bag, and get out of here. Why you have to like something like that? Ridiculous.
That's a reason.
Put your legs straight. Alright guys, so I'm sitting here waiting for Kaden. He's getting his teeth x-rayed. Babe is in like 2 or 3 stalls over with Cam. This is why I was like, we can't do this solo. Like, if we're gonna do a dual doctor's appointment, like, you gotta come with me. So, we're waiting for them, and then we're probably going to get some lunch after this. Hey, y'all. So, this just came in the mail, and I thought I'd share with you guys. I ordered this last week, and it just showed up today. I've been wanting it. I had to repackage it for y'all because I already cracked into it. I just wanted to make sure everything was good with it. But me and my girl, Coco McQueen, we were talking. She got this a few months back, and I was telling her I was looking for it. And in Atlanta, for the longest time, this was a hard to find item. Like, you couldn't find it in the Saks location. You couldn't find it in store. It was just never available online. And I've been looking to replace this item in my collection. And I really wanted this particular one, along with a specific handbag that I've been looking at that is never in stock either. I have called the CA to see if I can get my hands on one. And so I'm not really on like a waiting list. I'm just waiting on it to be available, so that I can get the handbag that I've been lusting after for all this time that literally is never in stock. And I don't know if this happens to y'all, but I will put myself on the waiting list at Louis Vuitton, not the waiting list, but like the notification list, and never get notified. And then it'll, like, I guess come in stock in the wee hours of the morning or something, but like I never know it. And then by the time someone tells me it's in stock, I'll go online and it's no longer available. I don't know. Annoying. There we go. But yeah, I just picked up this reverse monogram card holder. I have been wanting this for so long. It was the only thing in the collection that like stood out to me. That I was like, oh, I love that. And the thing is, I'm not a monogram girl. I prefer the Damier Ebene print. So my purse is right here. You'll see that a lot of my SLGs are in this particular print. It's my favorite. The handbag I'm trying to get is in this print, or that's the print that I wanted in. But like, y'all, Louis Vuitton be killing me. And that's why how I always end up at MCM is because MCM has it in stock and Louis Vuitton doesn't. And it's annoying. So, but yeah, this is my favorite print. But I saw this and I just had to have it. It came out like last year, I think. But I'm about to throw all my cards in it and throw it in my purse. I'm just carrying my clear handbag today with all my goods because it's raining, and so I just felt like, I don't know, I don't ruin my bags. What do we got? I got my Ebony Woods. I've got my NARS Lippy, my little brush, my Chanel mirror, some gum, the boys' appointment card from the dentist appointment today, my wallet, my Valentino hand lotion, my Dior Lippy, this Milani lip balm, and that's it. Oh, my keys are downstairs, and so are my sunnies. But yeah, I'm just carrying this. I'm getting ready to go out tonight with my friends. We're gonna go have dinner. Since the world is semi-open, I thought I would play a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all. It just got here and I'm about to switch into it. This is my old one, y'all. It's old. It's like decrepit. Like, this part of the canvas is like worn at this point. Yeah, it's just old and decrepit. Like the glazing, look at the glazing, y'all. It's old, but I've had it for like over 10 years. So that speaks. I'm hoping this canvas is, you know, similar, for me to have it for a long time, because I've had this one quite some time. It's a made in France piece. This is a made in France piece. But I can't remember on this one. This one is made in France as well. So yeah. That's it. That's all. I just thought I'd share real quick. I'm about to get ready, and I'll see y'all once I'm headed out. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to head out. I am going to have drinks with my friends. Had to get y'all in the car. Yeah, but I'm just going to have drinks with my friends. Okay, Chris Brown. My hair is a little, it needs a good tight wrap. I think I need to put a little dry shampoo in it. But whatever, we're just gonna have a couple margaritas, or at least that's what I'm having. Got my mask. And I'm just in like all black and what you call it? I'm mad because I kind of need to stop and get some gas. I'm trash. I'm wearing a Chanel lip gloss that I did not. I'm trash because I didn't bring it with me. Janine is texting me. What is she saying? She said she's like 30 minutes away. That's fine. That'll give me time to stop and get gas. But yeah, y'all, that's all that's happening right now. All right, y'all, so I just pulled up. I'm getting gas real quick, just because I don't know, I hate going places with no gas. All right, I'm gonna get gas. I'll be right back. Damn, he was like all in the shit, wasn't he? All right, y'all, so I'm almost there. Why do people speed in the rain? Like, I don't understand. I cannot find my umbrella. So, it's just gonna have to be the reason. I'm gonna cover my head with my denim jacket back there. That's all I got. But yeah, y'all, I am here for this. I have not seen my friends in quite some time, and I need a margarita. I need a drink. I need a good meal. I need some kikis. Okay, I'm ready to kiki and just laugh and chop it up. It's been so long, and when me and my friends get together, we always have a good kiki. So I'm here for it. I just miss everybody. We all had so many major things going on with us, so it was like really sad that we didn't all get to celebrate.
In 2 miles, take exit 29 onto Ashford Dunwoody Road.
Siri, you rude. Okay. Anyway, that's JoJo texting now. Okay, she's about to pull up. I'm about to pull up too. I'm like 2 miles away. Anyways, yeah, y'all. So I just wanted to check in, let y'all know I'm almost there, and if everybody is cool with being on camera, I will